Hello friends, we will discuss isomerism. Isomerism means same molecular formula and different chemical and physical properties of compound. It is of two types, structural and stereoisomerism. In structural isomerism, same molecular formula, different structural formula and relative positions are changed. And in stereo, same molecular formula, same relative position but different orientation of groups. And stereoisomerism is of two types, geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism. To check geometrical isomerism, possibility of difference in bond angle between two ligands is essential, and for optical isomerism, absence of symmetry element is essential. And we will discuss Ma3B3 type complexes. In this there are three ligands of B type and three ligands of A type. First, when all three ligands present at 90 degree, it is called, if this isomer is called facial or cis isomer. And you can see that the angle between all three A ligands and all three B ligands is 90 degree only.
We can check all three A and all three B ligands. The angle among them is 90 degree only. And when the angle is 90 degree only, this isomer is called facial isomer, because if we join all three A ligands, it makes a face or hedral of octahedral, and it has two symmetry elements C3 and sigma. This is C3. If you rotate the molecule around this C3, you will find same configuration 3 times if you rotate by 360 degree. आप इस एक्सिस के अराउंड इसको 360 डिग्री से रोटेट करो तो आपको सेम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लाइक दिस you will find 3 times. That's why, and they are making a face also. This axis is passing through the center of face of octahedral. That's why this is called C3 axis. So you can check C3 axis. Now we will check sigma plane, and sigma plane essentially will pass through center of complex, one A ligand and one B ligand. Only then it will bisect the molecules into two equal halves. When any molecule have any symmetry elements, it cannot represent optical isomerism. So now you can tell whether this Ma3B3 will have optical isomerism or no. No, because it has a C3 and sigma plane also. You see, there are 3 sigma planes. You can check, all are at 60 degree of each other. Each plane is bisecting the molecules into two equal halves, and both equal halves are mirror image of each other. You can check all 3 planes one by one. They are bisecting the molecules in such a way that you are getting two equal halves, one above the plane, one below the plane. There is A, and one A is inside the plane, so it is bisecting the molecules. And second plane, you can check, it has one A, one B, and it is bisecting 2A and 2B also. Similarly, you can check third plane of symmetry. It is also bisecting. So it has symmetry. When a molecule has symmetry, it cannot represent optical isomerism. So the cis isomer is optical inactive. It will not represent optical activity. Now we will discuss Ma3B2C type. One B ligand is replaced by C. It will look like this. There are 3 A ligands at 90 degree, 2 B ligands at 90 degree, and at rest position there is one C shown by purple color. So how beautifully they are rotating. Now we will check whether they can represent geometrical. Yes, all A are at 90 degree. If one of the A at 180, it will represent trans isomer. Similarly, if one of the B at 180, it will be trans. Now we are going to check optical activity. For optical activity, we will check this has, yes, the minimum one condition means symmetry plane is there. How? You can check 1A and 1C. Both ligands are inside the plane. 2A ligands are at same distance from the plane. 2B ligands are also at the same distance from the plane. One above the plane, one below the plane. Yes, very nicely you can check. So this is the symmetry element. When symmetry element is there, they cannot represent ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म. ये मॉलिक्यूल ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म नहीं रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता, लेकिन ज्योमेट्रिकल तो कर ही सकता है, क्योंकि तीनों ए 90 से अगर 180 पे हो जाए तो वो ट्रांस हो जाएगा. नाउ दिस इज ट्रांस आइसोमर. ट्रांस आइसोमर को हम मेरिडियोनल आइसोमर भी कहते हैं. वी कॉल इट मेरिडियोनल आइसोमर. यू कैन चेक 2A are at 180 degree. So it is trans with respect to A, but cis with respect to B. Okay, you can take cis in respect to A and trans from B. आप B को ट्रांस पोजीशन पे और A को सिस पोजीशन पे रख सकते हो, तब भी वो ट्रांस आइसोमर ही कहलाएगा. अब इसमें हमने देखा ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म तो पॉसिबल है. नाउ वी विल चेक optical isomerism. So we will check only one symmetry element, that is plane of symmetry. Yes, there is one plane of symmetry. It is having both B, 1A and 1C ligand in it, and 1A is above the plane, other A is below the plane. So when it has plane of symmetry, it cannot represent optical activity, hence it is an optical inactive compound. Now we will check Ma3B2C facial isomer. Facial and cis, we will check both. Ma3B2C. There are B2, one is C. It has plane of symmetry. Yes, it is Ma3B2C. So it can represent only geometrical isomerism, not optical isomerism. Any type of symmetry or symmetry element, if it is there, molecule will be essentially optical inactive. Yes, you can check. Yes, you can check this molecule from different angles. It may have more than one symmetry element, more plane of symmetry. Yes, you see how beautifully 1A and 1B are at right side and other A and other B at left side. So this is another symmetry plane. It is bisecting the molecule into two equal halves, and both halves are mirror image of each other. So this way we can construct and we can visualize plane of symmetry in little asymmetric molecule, and we can check whether it will be optical active or optical inactive. Thank you.